Hello and welcome to this video on ChatGPT Affiliates Empire, where I'll be sharing with you the benefits of this powerful strategy and how you can use it to grow your business and earn passive income. Firstly, let's start with the basics. Affiliate marketing is a form of online marketing where you promote other people's products and earn a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate link. This can be a highly effective way to earn money online, as it allows you to leverage the power of other people's products and customer bases. So, why should you consider affiliate marketing? Well, for starters, it's a low-risk, high-reward strategy that requires minimal investment. You don't need to create your own product, handle any customer service, or worry about shipping and handling. All you need to do is promote the products you believe in, and you can earn a commission on any sales made through your link. Another benefit of affiliate marketing is that it can be a great way to diversify your income streams. If you're already running a business or have an existing online presence, affiliate marketing can provide an additional revenue stream without requiring too much extra effort on your part. Now, let's talk about how you can get started with affiliate marketing. First, you'll need to find products to promote. This can be done by searching for affiliate programs in your niche or by reaching out to companies directly. Once you've found a product you want to promote, you'll need to sign up for their affiliate program and receive your unique affiliate link. Next, you'll want to start promoting the product to your audience. This can be done through a variety of channels, such as social media, email marketing, or even through paid advertising. The key is to find a promotion strategy that works best for you and your audience. Finally, it's important to track your results and optimize your strategy over time. This means analyzing your traffic sources, conversion rates, and earnings to identify what's working and what's not. With the right data and insights, you can continually improve your affiliate marketing efforts and maximize your earnings. So, there you have it, the benefits of affiliate marketing and how to get started. If you're looking to earn passive income and diversify your revenue streams, affiliate marketing is definitely worth considering. And if you're interested in learning more, be sure to check out our recommended resources in the description below. ChatGPT Affiliates Empire. What is ChatGPT Affiliates Empire? ChatGPT Affiliates Empire is an ebook. It is an innovative course designed to teach your customers how to create high-quality affiliate marketing promotional content with the help of ChatGPT. As an affiliate, you can promote a unique product that offers real solutions to marketers looking to take their content creation to the next level. Using only AI to create my emails and blog posts, in February 2023, I did over $9,300 only on Warrior Plus, without considering JVZoo and Pay Kickstart. It's my record to date, and I also became a 1% affiliate on Warrior Plus. Not only will you be providing value to your audience by introducing them to this powerful course, but you will also be able to earn with my 50% commission rate on the entire funnel. The ebook costs $27. It offers an advanced course on creating sales letters for a product launch, taking care of front-end and sales letters, JV pages, and more. Buy this ebook in link description below. It is a proven track record of success and high-converting sales pages. You can be confident of using ChatGPT Affiliates Empire that will be a win-win for you and your audience.
This business model has life-changing income implications. It's a complete guide that will take you by the hand and show you through the steps to create outstanding images in a couple of clicks, with the right prompts. Inside my guide you're going to discover the 5 basic rules to dominate ChatGPT, how to use ChatGPT to rewrite swipe files provided by affiliates, the secret free tool I use to make the generated emails human-like, how to write brand new emails to promote any affiliate product you want, the secret way to craft perfect promotional blog posts with ChatGPT, how to create professional video scripts with ChatGPT, and how to record them without showing your face on camera, the best way to create 2 types of high-quality lead magnets to grow your list, my secret tips and tricks to run the best and fastest affiliate marketing business, 2 bonus case studies on how to rewrite emails and how to create a new one, and much, much more. As you can see, this course has it all, and you'll be able to quickly and easily begin to use it to turn it into easy and repeatable profits. And don't worry about this being a flash in the pan. ChatGPT is just getting started, and now it's like a newborn baby. Expect much more. Check the link in the description for more.
If you're an affiliate marketer, or want to become one, you know how important it is to create compelling emails, blog posts, and review videos that can attract your target audience and generate sales. However, without the right tools and resources, this can be a challenging task. Many affiliate marketers try to create content independently, getting no sales after a lot of work. This way can lead to various problems, including lack of creativity. Writing compelling content that can engage your audience is an art that requires study and a good dose of creativity. Without it, your content may sound dull and uninteresting, failing to capture the attention of your target audience. Time-consuming. Creating quality content takes time, especially if you are not a professional writer or video editor. Without the right tools and resources, you may waste valuable time creating content that doesn't convert. Inconsistency. Consistency is the key in affiliate marketing. If you fail to produce quality content regularly, your audience may lose interest in your brand, leading to decreased sales. Poor SEO. Creating SEO-friendly content for your blog and YouTube is crucial to driving traffic to your affiliate links and making sales. Without the proper keyword research and optimization, your content may not rank high on search engine results pages, making it hard for your audience to find your content. Lack of confidence. Creating quality content can be challenging, especially if you are new to affiliate marketing. Without the proper support and guidance, you may lack the confidence to create content that can generate sales. Cost. Paying freelancers to write for you is impossible when you need immediate content like it happens in affiliate marketing. The usual swipe files. How many times have you wanted something fresh to send your list instead of a rehashed email every client has seen? These problems can make it challenging for affiliate marketers to succeed in their business. However, with my course in ChatGPT, you can overcome these challenges and create quality content that can engage your audience and generate a lot of sales. Using AI technology can help you create compelling emails, blog posts, and review videos that convert, saving you time and boosting your confidence in your marketing efforts. As you can see, turning yourself into a premium affiliate has been an absolute nightmare. Until today. Well, would you be interested if I told you I called myself out? From writing emails and product reviews. And by using ChatGPT, I multiplied my affiliate sales?